Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Tony. Just a quick update for today. Not a good day today for trading. It was very choppy, very low volume, low energy. Just not a good day. A better day to sit on your hands. So we've had a red day today. We didn't trade on the small account, so a zero trade day, second zero trade day in a row on the small account. So we go again tomorrow on the small account, and we've still got that little bit of that $40 or whatever to get over the $1,000 milestone. But we've had a significant red day, so we're now finishing this week in drawdown. We're still green on the week, red on the day, green on the week, green on the month, obviously extremely green on the year. So I always have this motto that when in doubt, zoom out. But at $16,500 red day today, and just taking big swings that are needing to be done. I got caught in a very volatile halt to the downside. I was in for 10,000 shares. Well, I was in for 5,000 shares, and when it resumed, I doubled down looking for a bounce, looking for a move back up. It didn't materialize, so I ended up with 10,000 shares and moved back down. That was VCIG. And that was the largest portion. That was a half of the losses that we had today, but it wasn't the only one today. So SFWL was we lost like 7,500 on that. HCDI, which was the big winner for us yesterday, we lost 2,500 on that. So just all round poor trading. We traded Goodyear tires for $1,500 in profit. We traded PacWest the bank for a little over $500 in profit. So finishing today, we looked at a few different things today, but we're finishing today, and we've got I think if I look at what's actually moved, VCIG. As this moved up, let's kind of zoom in a little bit here so we can actually see it. As this moved up here, we chased the momentum, and we kind of got hammered here. We ended up getting caught in this flush down to the downside. We got in as this made new highs here, moving up. I was watching this for the resumption, and then we got in on this candle, and then it flushed down. So that was VCIG. We ended up as this resumed, we doubled down on our position, but we didn't manage to get the money back. We didn't get green, and we ended up cutting it for $8,000 loss. Could have been worse. It could have been better, of course, but it could have been so much worse. SFW, this ended up moving up, but we got stopped out, and we traded this badly, and we lost 7,500 on SFW. Again, this was another one that was very volatile. We got in up at the top here, and it sold off, and again we lost money on HCDI. Just all round not a good trading day at all. Where's my cursor? So overall, I've had better days. I'm not too worried about it. Someone was saying, well, why I'm not even breaking into a sweat because I've lost $16,500. But when you've made 186,000, I think it was before today, this month, 16,000 is whilst it's a big loss on a day. It's probably going to take me 3 days to recover in terms of trading at goal. I'm over goal on the month. So I mean, if I look at where we're actually at the moment, so this is today's equity curve, just down, 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 and down. But if I look at the actual reports for the month, I'm down to 172,000. So 172,000 gross profit. Come on. That's way over goal. It's I've set myself a goal this year of 120,000 gross profit a year. We're on the 11th of May, so of course I'm not going to be upset about losing 16k today, because the way that I've been trading, I'll make that back tomorrow probably. I don't know. We made. Let's just have a quick look at the calendar. What we've done this week alone. So 12,000 on Monday, 6,000. That's 18,000 there plus the 4,000. So it's a 22,000. So we're still in just for this week alone. Or it's a red day, but just for this week alone, we're still in profit. We're still like 4,000 up on the week. We actually got over goal on the month on day one. So I'm not too worried about the month. I'm not too worried about. I really shouldn't even be trading at the moment on the main account. It's just I'm addicted. I'm a deviant. I'm a reprobate. It's just one of those things that while I'm looking for trades on the small account, I've got to be discerning on the small account. I can be a little bit more relaxed in my trade selection on the main account because I kind of afford to take a hit and still trade my way out of it. On the small account, I can't afford to do that yet. So we're not even over $1,000 on the small account. So 963 was where we finished on Tuesday. We've had 2 no trade days, so we're going into Friday. 963 is our starting position still. Tomorrow when we start, so come back tomorrow and we'll do it all over again. So come join me then, and I hope to have a nice profitable day on both accounts. In the meantime, take it easy. See you soon.